Woo woo woo. So guys, okay, my machine went down about for a month. It was the problem was, I'm getting straight to the point. The problem was after I finished dumping the ice, well, I came home one day and saw the error 001. It's E-01, yeah, error came up. So anyhow, we start at machine, start, but then we had a problem where the time it was keep on increasing. Normally it used to cut out around 15 minutes. When it reached 15 minutes, it started to count down. Okay, that's how I noticed it. So this time it went 15, 16, 20, 20 something, 30 something. If we don't come in time to start the machine, it will keep on going until the entire ice tray filled with ice and it cannot dump because it's very thick. The error came on. E-01 meaning the tray guard has removed from its position, so it stopped the machine. So okay then, so that was one error. And then have another error where the machine start and then E/11 error came on. Problem. So what I did, I checked all the sensors. They are working correctly. I thought the screen was bad. I thought the control board as well was bad. So what I did, I ordered for a part. I ordered a package, including I ordered for the package, and the package had the screen, the control board, this float 2-in-1 device. It had a temperature sensor in it as well, but it is 2-in-1. It cut off the water and it gives the temperature. It set the temperature to the control board. So anyhow, so I keep on using the machine. Error came on. I had to put it back on again, stop it, put it back on. I get frustrated. So then I decided to order for the part. If you notice here, it have some faults here on the board. The ice cannot drop off. See, that is the solenoid valve is not open. Oh, and my solenoid valves, they are working. They are working because when I was checking, they are okay. And when the error wasn't on, you can hear the machine going to a different mode. The drain solenoid came on, the water inlet valve solenoid came on, and the heating solenoid as well came on. Just me, my problem is the machine, the timer will increase way up high, and the error will comes on after. So I think the machine was down for a month because I had to order for the part in America, USA, and wait for them to ship it to the Caribbean. Yeah. So if you notice this, this 00 degrees Celsius. Yeah. So anyhow, before I change the part, this was running at operating at 31 degrees Celsius. Yeah, so there's a sensor that they call the ice thickness sensor. So when I was rubbing the sensor to see if it's working as well, I can see this increasing. So we're like, okay, it's working. So to fast forward it in the short video, just trying to help someone. If your time is increasing and it is not cutting out, it can be the board, it can be the screen as I research, but I'm gonna tell you in a while. So okay, so I replaced my screen first, my new screen first. Problem still came. The time increasing, just increasing. Okay then. I switched the board, replaced my board. Problem still was there. The time increased to 20 till I had to change the mode myself so you can dump the ice. One more thing I forgot. Before I changed new parts, what I did, what happened as well is that the machine started, it go into the cleaning cycle, and then when the ice making cycle comes on, the compressor comes on first, and then the fan comes on, but then the water pump will not come on, and the error, E-11 will shut the machine. Yeah, because the pump didn't came on in time. So okay now, so let me tell you what you probably waited for the longest while. So after I replaced the screen, my brand new screen, nothing happened. Replace the control board, nothing happened still. Then my next move, replace this. So because this also came in the package, so I replaced this, and bam, everything solved. My temperature moved from about when it now start up, my temperature moved from 15. It count down as the water get cold and colder. It count down when it reach to 0. I see my time move from about 5 minutes to 15 minutes. As in 15 minutes, it count down because my ice setting thickness is set to about, I can't remember if it's 0.3, which is about 15 minutes. So when the water temperature reach to 00 or 1 degree Celsius, if your time is about 4 minutes into ice making, it will go automatically to 15 minutes and then come back down until it reach the end of the time, where it will switch the mode into de-icing, and then the ice flip will come down after. So that was a frustration for me for some weeks until I order, and then until I replace this, my problem solved. So right now the machine is working properly now. Yeah, so guys, hope you had that. I'm just saying, this is a Vevor ice machine. Let me show you the entire type. I will post the model. Let me see if I can see the model. Okay, so I will leave it down. I will leave the model of the ice machine just in case your zone have the same problem. I will leave it the model in the description. So once again, to show you the type. Right. So guys, hope you enjoyed this short video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, woo woo woo, God love you. Child of God, forget to give somebody some love. Don't forget to give someone, love Jesus. Don't forget to give a like and a subscribe, guys. If this video help you out with your ice machine.